Hello, I'm Anna Molnar and I am a dietetics student at Viterbo University. Today I will be talking to you about organic versus non-GMO foods. What's the difference? So when you walk around the store and you see non-GMO verified, let me show you. So you see a bag of chips and there is a non-GMO verified label right here. That means that all of the ingredients that you see on the back are non-genetically modified. So, what exactly is a GMO? GMO usually comes from a few different sources that we are concerned about when shopping at the grocery store. Those include corn, soy, and sugar beets. Corn and soy are found in almost everything, especially prepackaged products. So, assume that products whose labels disclose the presence of soy proteins, soybean oil, soy milk, soy flour, or even soy lecithin, those have all been made with GMOs, unless they are certified organic or GMO-free. Let me show you a certified organic label. So it's going to say USDA organic on it. Also, if a product label does not specify that it has been made with pure cane sugar, chances are that it contains genetically modified beet sugar. So, the problem is, if it's a GMO corn or GMO soy, they're grown using many toxic chemicals that are being sprayed on the weeds, and when the corn grows, the farmers can spray it with a significant amount of those pesticides and herbicides to kill off those weeds. And the active ingredient in one of those herbicides is glyphosate, which is a known carcinogen. And it won't kill the corn, soy, or the plant. It kills all the weeds around it. So, in theory, that's good, but has a few problems. As you spray more herbicides on these crops, you get super weeds, and they are starting to show up everywhere. They become resistant to the herbicide, therefore, the farmers are left having to spray more and more, and sometimes they have to move to something that's even stronger. This is bad for the environment and the soil. And then cross-contamination occurs. So products like oatmeal, bread, wheat, legumes that are typically non-GMO, all of a sudden they get tested and are high in glyphosate because it gets the runoff from the sprays. Many times the farmers are spraying the herbicides on weeds and oat as a pre-harvest to dry it out as a desiccant. This makes it easier to harvest. The seeds that come out of the weeds to germinate the ground become easier as well. Not all farmers are doing this, but for many of the domestic productions, that's the case. Therefore, even if you're buying non-GMO bread or non-GMO oats, you want to get organic. And let me tell you why. When you see a USDA organic seal, know that they have far lower pesticide levels than conventionally grown produce. And that's a huge thanks to federal regulations. You can read more about that right here.